People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know me always say health is your wealth. You see me, take care of it, and right now, my people, I have a very important video for show you. You know where they have vlog on the go, and you know what I mean, right now at this moment I'm up on the bus. See? So this doctor named Philip Coombs from Jamaica. See? I just want to hear what I say. It's very important message, very important information, and also a plea to the Prime Minister, you know what I mean, and them cronies them. They don't know the routine, you know, after the break. See? Don't go nowhere.
Come to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Prime Minister, hear this, move on good with the dirty politics. You think you can trick way? This one a ignorance. You go along with the under bandage. You not below, so the poor people live. Them come from far away, speaking them different language.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back, man. I'm Cure, you know. You can go look out for that song there. Zine from Alpha One. See, the song called Cure. Zine, and them have a next song named To Be Poor It's Not a Crime. So you can go check it out and look out for that one there. See, Alpha One, big up yourself, my brother.
Hello everybody. My name is Dr. Philip Coombs. I'm a medical doctor in Jamaica, and I am about to make a very bold statement. I took an oath as a medical doctor to first do no harm to any of my patients, and I feel like it is my responsibility as a medical doctor and also as a popular social media professional to encourage every single Jamaican to be wise about their decision and about COVID-19. There is no community spread. We're not able to trace where persons get the infection from. Not just that, having a campaign at this time has disregarded all of the protocols that the government has tried to put into place to protect and to prevent persons from getting COVID-19. Not only is COVID-19 a threat, but the hospitals are now being overwhelmed with more accidents, more trauma, just because of political unrest. Patients come in, gunshots, stab up, bike accidents, car accidents. And what is the reason? Because of general elections. I have a responsibility to my Jamaican people. We're speaking about a virus. We're talking about your life, your well-being. A virus that has the potential to kill people. We are now campaigning in numbers greater than 250, without masks, without social distancing. For what? So, Dr. Coombs here, humbly suggesting to the government of Jamaica to please reconsider the approach to general elections. Think about the Jamaican people, think about the hospitals, think about us as doctors, the workload. We are sacrificing our well-being every day to protect our country. Think about this. Spread the word.
Now my viewers and subscribers, you hear what the doctor said. The man said right now, the hospitals them overwhelmed. The people coming in stabbing, gunshot, bike accident, car accident, everything. See? And nobody now coming for corona, you know. So how comes the man say corona, the spike, and it can go up and go up and go up and go up. But that time I can know say prevention is better than cure. See, so don't drop on the guard and how him for call election in them time when him said the corona virus are extend it and go back again. See? Yeah, it will go back again. How him for call election them time. The people put 2 and 2 together and see what go on, man. You get me? I remember another doctor said, Dr. Philip, you know. He said most people are coming for gunshot and shot and stabbing and accidents. You know what I mean? And most of them are political violence. Zine? So I see this man him sell him soul. You see some of the new world order him there deal with. He call election because he want the people them to kill off themselves. Same like Black Lives Matter with George Floyd. I feel that was orchestrated and planned. You know, say if them stir up the black community anger, people are going to come out and they're going to say virus gone up again because the protests and people now react mass and all of them things there. You get me? So all of these things are planned and orchestrated. That's my opinion. That is my opinion. See? So how can you call election and you say social distancing and precautions and you see me? You might open up at the border where people are coming. If you did concern, you'd make the border go and close. But people are coming see me because tourism and they don't want the money. You know what I mean? And then when the claim say spikes are go back. I don't believe in a spike thing, you know. Them can all lie by the numbers because that's America did a lie about them numbers of people that are dying by COVID. Get me? Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I just say a thing there, you know. You don't know, big up on yourself. You see me? I don't really up on the journey right now. You see it? Sorry, Papa, yeah? Yeah, man, my paper, my viewers and subscribers. When you do the maths, no, man, you have vlog on the go, you know, you see, big up all of my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man. Big up the doctor, Philip Combs, for coming out and pleading to the people and for be cautious same way. And also to the government to think about the election because people are campaigning in numbers 200, 300 people and nobody now wear a mask. You never think about them things they want to call election. The fellow Jamaicans open up your eyes, no man, and stop going like on a blind, no man. Zine, all this political war are going on. We have two politicians, activists who died already since the election call, you know. One PMP, one JLP. I think the JLP one them rob him and kill him and take him and say 4 million house. Why am I 4 million house? Tell me why am I 4? Shouldn't that be in the bank? Or it couldn't go in the bank because of maybe it's dodgy money. As my viewers and subscribers, I would like you to leave your comment and feedback in the comment section. I don't know, big up everyone. A lion foot, peace and love. Be safe if you can, be safe, be careful. See? Don't drop your guard, alright? Blessed love. Remember, people are going in the hospitals, but not by COVID, but by political violence, killing and shooting and stabbing. Bike accident, car accident, that's what the doctor said. It's not me said, see? So I'm going to do the maths. Peace and love. And don't believe them on them numbers about spike and all of them things there. 75 case found this and all of them things there. Hey. Alright. I say no more. I'm out.
Say we have a cure for cancer, cure for herpes, cure for anything whether in a your street, cure for the madman who you walk on the street. Careful where you do, careful who you say we have.
Lion foot right? Them know it, Lion. Empire Selassie, the Almighty Creator. Judgment in our road.